from them. To you, they are useless because you don't need their service. Because when you are sick, you travel abroad. Your family, they will travel abroad. But you are forgetting that.
Mame Mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frame me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo Mr Happiness eka enkrofo a omo company de ema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho. Na Mr Happiness obi a drawing His Excellency the former president na Danko Akufo-Addo ne era no so we obi na open na ado na sem na NPP asem a obe block no because na ensem a okay na netia NPP on Twini Jonas na ende a NDC fo ebae na mehu se Mr Happiness na Twini Jonas omudo Ghana na sese nkrofo mienu we na omo ye journalist wo Ghana ha nko omo mienu pe na omo ndwen omo ye fo ho ansa na omo akasa because omo a kire se omudo Ghana mpa na me fiti eneko I will support Twini Jonas and Mr Happiness even NPP for bakra omu di omo atema me support yomo because no kwai no omo kam I will support them today tomorrow and answer that the chena ati say we asibese because omo kan no kwai ankasa Mr Happiness nende otunkra e de amagana nurses for and now no omo trade placards edi ko jan bubo omuti ekogina law require me wiem ye demonstration adanya omo achra dia 6 months say 8 months and won't you won kan ti wosu na Mr Happiness emusu na mo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ofa mo nya hwio ombu mu adedi ombu mu bi na ofa mo nya bi no de mo ayeta etre say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne ba ferida no yare a obe fly no away wakosa no ho yare de nani ma yese sunsum no de bekwa akosa no yare ona nkasa opemu no yare a obekwa abrochira akosa no ho yare ne yare a obekọ Speaker of Parliament oyare obekọ Sam George na ni court so fun ni court no oyare obekọ okujata blakwa na we no oyare a obefly intimo no chese mo wafa intimo ko demonstration intimo so wafa mo ana na yenti bemfuni na yehia na enso nyame adum ntino yewu se mo nurses from ofra impedifo kasa ma kire mo se NDC aban mutumi ye adwuma 3 years no ma mo 3 months pay mo se ya ade alawa ne yento na ya ade alawa ne yento no mo nurses for NPP aban mo 8 years omo fa nurses na teachers adwuma sinya ban bia mo ye ungrateful mo se ya ade alawa ne so yento mo John Dramani Mahama His Excellency ne pens wo twala wam na na do baya no restore ma mo esan so fa mo dodo na wo adwuma abato adu na mo koto aba ento a NPP so na mo ankasa mo ho ntomo mo feel comfortable mo se ehene ha musu Mr Happiness is on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no odwi mu ho on mo ye den yenti nsema Mr Happy.
Good morning to Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, my ex-president and current president of the Republic of Ghana, because you know deep in your heart that you profit from illegal mining, Galamsey, destroying Ghana's rivers and forest reserves, which is the source of livelihood for millions of Ghanaians. That is why you created the gold board on the 2nd of April to control Ghana's gold trade, so that all the profits will come to you. And that is why on the 10th of September 2025, at your encounter with the media, you shamelessly defended Galamsey by saying this.
And because of the lack of jobs, jobless growth for several decades, there are a lot of young people who are coming out of school who have no job work to do. And so for them, that is the only livelihood. And so we must not think just about chasing them all over the place without providing alternatives for them.
You see, because you profit from Galamsey, you see how you shamelessly defended them. And because you know you don't benefit, you don't profit from legal professions like nursing and medicine. Because when you are sick, you travel abroad with the taxpayers' money for medical checkup. That is why
we are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good months, no salary. Personally,
you don't benefit from them. To you, they are useless because you don't need their service. Because when you are sick, you travel abroad. Your family, they will travel abroad. But you are forgetting that these nurses and the medical doctors are the ones who take care of the people who voted for you to become president today. So if you truly care, then use the funds of Mahama Care to pay the Ghanaian doctors and nurses. If not, then you are not just a leader, but you are somebody who just speaks grammar, because leaders take action. They solve problems. They don't just speak. So John Dramani Mahama, my ex-president and Ghana's current president, do the needful by using the funds of Mahama Care to pay the nurses.
Pay them 1 year salary. Now, bonus. Yeah, demonstration.
Yeah.
Who demonstration? My mother was a retired senior midwife.
Okay.
Demonstration, of course, so much agree, be as a white. No more team.
Now, I would have some say
that time was
the honorable chrono. Donia, onward dear woo. Don't why you bonia, you see a cochina, so you find a fiason. Why increase ni daily fee, you know, ni feeding fidelin, echo 5 cities. And I am mana echo school that you can't increase. Yes,
only be or yamamu. That's one thing that you
and Tiana, young that prison, Eddie ye, a child Marco secondary school. Now, Baya, what is wa? Say, Obi, a for mobile phone so. Eddie young crofostica. Won't me and chum. Nemo so because TikTok. Also because social media. Put him the IP address. Can you imagine?
Forgetting that they use the same platform to campaign for you and campaign against the new patriotic party.
What the infernal control? We are Sikano. I was social and the Ayana Fanu on for IP address and Cochum. Because Bakubi frame
a small can some George with him. And some for
no, Mejanenkra. Because Opia, and then me not you Ghana for Ensu. Oh, yeah, Mumu transaction cry now, bet me born best 50 times and son I go through.
That's how from for the chili trail. So
and that Menoka say, oh, yeah, corner. Oh, can now sign a different You can't fight for Ghanaians. But DSTV, who here will be ano. And no one
can cry with DSTV. Some George Becan say, so much me winning power. That's within 3 months. So my penny, friends, John Dramani Mahama, my penny CC. So I scrap communication tax for more resign.
Because you say,
boy, you know,
no,
watch it. Not by jamming.
Not by
from regional party as well. As well, we be for one. Or Momsi be for one.
What do you say? When you find me, don't find that, you know.
Look by your boy. That medium woman for Freddy.
I say, it is a comedy, me all be sorted to room. In the end, this year, my name is a mobile Besuvia Babio. There be only come and certain the room and my best one better come here.
Catch it all.
And Menoka say, what are the iron to? And all the business community are crying. What you say? I dear Baku, I don't want to Ghana for say. I said Ghana near a war no monsa.
Ah,
the Nigia or no monsa.
You want my kind
and son and Yadia also be a tomboka. And nobody will be a bar. Yeah, and young Quano Bonipantio.
Only was in Sakura Minum be that. Since our day example for so many Memenom Minum read that. Well, sunny examples are cried.
First, maybe I tie a shanima. It makes me to Canam Kunam Shadi. That will bet me and Nantia, but this idea about a member I am Pratia Cofomo. I didn't hear.
I want you
and I want you about I want you about and you know one in Cremedy Abontin in our phone because we'll be playing again at phone. I see. I want you to my and Cramani
and Pratia Swat won't. Patrick Euku, a member of the new Patriotic Party Deputy Communication Officer, and pay a customer Numpeni, a comma, Eric Boaminamin, we say, Bebdi Wansaniako, NPP Eastern Regional Head of the Security Party Security, a friend. Alhaji Ibrahim and Awoda Tiyanwishino happy birthday on the head of party security no award.
Obi biara owo Ghana ha owo aban mu a wo benefit Africa galamsey mu 1 cedi na enne wo so ba yisu chairman wontumi as scapegoat nyame betua wo kawo
So party na benefit. Say ankra bi o party ma benefit. Say obi aye bi mo anka ho asem. Na mo say mo di chairman wontumi e beto tankruwam. Na mo aye ne bone. Atwena so a from head to toe nyame betua mu nyina aka na nyame akatua ne eba mo hunu kwa be fa so be ba. Enti mo hwe niam ayie. Animal farm no a abronya judge kan ho asem no. Ase em se eye NDC ade a omo ahihya to ho enom de yo madwuma se nya saa enti ma se adwuma kura na mo se obi akoye enti mo achi no obi aye bi ene de mo se mo nka ho asem mo ye huni ye na oma na etimo no so obi aban no a mo hoyi se frema mpanin so besi fom obi a benefit afri galamsey mu 1 cedi na mo se mo nka ho asem na chema wontumi de mo mena na betwe man so na se betwe na so a nyame ehwe ye nyina
Koga I mean you.
Meche beba dero lawyer na kasa no baby amete no menya assurances menya more of a panic and fear because we share messages na eba no any senior counter answers na corner. I think say ebia we will need more information as time goes on. There issues are raised here from the political side. I feel that there is more to do about it than that. We share senior Omushia presidents asofo ne sankrofo ni nyina we want to hear you for ni nyina ekoe no utie nsema ekokos na utie senior attorney general ne kasa no I said he was reading something that has already been agreed on. One, we've spoken to the Chief Justice. Who is the Chief Justice of Ghana now? Your Chief Justice. And I was acting Chief Justice. Of course, can say Oni AG Akasa and your bare specific lawyers and judges and our tribunals, Nesanoma. And case, you know, as a VA case, you know, want to make case, and say, yen intend before December. Want to me impact in campaigning in Kumasi in internal elections has a role to play in this. Say yen intem court ne bande sa no ma no adwuma yesi o ye wo region ho no ontumi nye again say utumi eya whatever ni input or ni rule ewo mu ewo the incoming flag bearership elections were region no impact ebenya wo so but say wa ene jujwemu na wo maaye no details are wo maaye and even utie from our win what the chiefs have said any evidence any videos ewo ho any will compare normal yeka ewo akonta mining ho and the documentary that has been shown ene Erastus any other nkrofo what evidence of government in power chairmans ni other people where ye galamsey why won't me and listening to a president or all can say ni oba abemu ye ma licenses ewo mining ho biom na beto just over 20 people 20 licenses release no don't you think say I mean sada no share president anybody language we na mo pese mitie me ka kire mu ade ni minim say ekoso ba me mfa me hu nhye. The wound to me case for me is more of say yeah witch hunting say yeah scapegoat ade amentiase a me pe futu wo ho ne say one
Wound to me radio 95.9
Ochi nipa no one man bill also your investigation where we investigation and your court now the call some we investigations or charges ni because ya chimida ya me akoko that you do court ni kan o charges man enti ade na eso call attorney general office now call G2 manas e ho ye court
oye utie komo e course na say wache o so new investigation call me here am afro nti umu anu afre chairman na chairman ko enti anka na papa mu dia say o awie investigation of person bo kwadu a o san so frɛ na wakɔ no wakan o charge a cho person do court na do akɔ court enti o say director CID no efre no Emma or catching say omra and Monday. Emma mon so lawyer for catching so no lawyer ni ho. Enti no lawyer baba be doing crime and Monday. Nti omo Tuesday na Tuesday no they will appear before them. Na mon aye bibia ohobia. Ena nipa na ofre on behalf of director CID no can say or kohun the boss. No san friend back. Then no kohun director no san friend back catching say director CID no agiatum so momra Tuesday. Enti ono so watu ni kwan o akwantu num no te say attorney general issue threat say chairman untumi lawyers so mbeba Tuesday but o catch say one man na on beche no e hono lawyer appear could be can say e hono ye problematic because sat we under investigation anytime be investigation here no you must make yourself available. Enti no say e ko ba say investigate my friend na ya dia ye no ma agree on a certain date mon san frey ye biem en kan say e bia Tuesday na ye gitum ni asesa ya adwene e fan say bia chairman ntumi etna play mu kwa abrochiri
no nti ho no say me ni we agree ya say ke no na man ye beche no
ontimi emma then attorney general so na make akwa say anytime bia aban no asemi be sori aba galamsey na aban no ho kire ne pe na ope escape route bi afa ho no ma na afa chairman ntumi because how na emrema no na wafa ho so ene na ma misro say wotie ne nsem okan nyina no a me yanya ne ntantem ne fa wontumi nkotum na nkrofo haska say ye ka say ye bechi galamsey kimpins no ya e bibi and look me na me catch on the base say hu a yet ne say nkrofo puchi say ene okwa ye fa ne court ne man remand 2 weeks I know you have to say my yet and we cannot say whatever ebeba nti behwe ni bisi but no machi
ya dominion
na ho tsen
ya me adoma hodi e wo ho
na aden
straight away kwaku
o say straight away o dey go straight away is o dey go straight away ni bra oba be wo nsin bi eso yi ano o dey ba ne go straight away oba obi nsin bi ano why so nti o dey cobra
mekuta krata was in my free attorney general office where ye 15th July 2025 was say what the command the executive director Yoko directive to investigate allegations of illegal mining activities by named individuals. Me mkakra was say I write to direct your esteemed office to initiate investigations into suspected illegal mining activities being perpetrated by certain individuals within mining districts in the country. The directive is born out of 1, growing public concern, 2, corroborated by media reports, and in
enye kasa de here e dey solve Ghana problems. Enye dialogue no ene here e dey see problem na ye ka ho asem galamsey no enye no. Cause no kura wo mu pa ma mpani wo bagi atumu ni se eye kasa ne adwenkyere nko ade a ya tro textbooks be ne wo ho e fa galamsey ho. Solutions are here di be si galamsey anokwa nyinada.
Happy FM 98.9.
Ghana for free nkoda akopem nkokora ne merewa so. Free wo mo tebrofo ni wo mo ntebrofo. Efi ahemfo ekosi kromafo. Wono mu a wo masua de akwa akire a wo mo ti sansem yase. Obi a kire na dwene kwan ya emfa galamsey emfa so. Timampani no kura wo mu no ene se see, I say a solution to galamsey a enya another round of yankasa biem yenin komo dialogue biem. This nation is tired of the talk shop. Yede yano asolve Ghana problems nyina enso ye nyina di ho adanse ye say problems ni afa kura na no aye dene echenkane. And no na mpanimfo beka kire say wo de wano edo enwre a ebi nwo enti yemfa ya no solve problems eye action and ye de solve problems.
98.9.
Mampani no ne baako e wo se ye ka e ma wo ti ase because ye nyina ye nim said ye Ghana ha moye mo politics me ka mo a enya mo as NDC the political class abai bia nya tumi no betena konwa so a
problem na ye nim deda no a ye nim kwan e wo se ye de fa so no ne asensi hu nkonya na ye sa hyebribia ase foforo akwa ese bribia mu no e wo se obitiminya political points efri mu because Mampeni, you are not new to Galamsey. From 2012 to 2016, wona na Ghana shawunsa. Mampeni, we are aware. Say Galamsey ntokwa na nkasa no, si ye kan baby a ntokwa no ye shase ye pa fiase se ye kon Galamsey a eye under your watch. Your Mahama part 1. Excavators are yashishie, a chassis ho, ya much be paying. Say yanchichin crofo, much chibia. Dialogue, national dialogue from 2012 to 2016 as President John Mahama. Your government led a number of national dialogues to ensure, say, Obia the Nigerian Bama Yafe Kwanya Befaso Edibetu Galamsey ase. Nana Akufo-Addo bae. Ono nso betutu anamo ahodo.
98.9.
Ono nso yes wo reset Galamsey asem no enti ono de o se 2 years ye bani obia we a small scale we a Galamsey we a wine. Nobody should mind. Ye wie ya ye bie ye. Asen ye bie mponche no. Gidi. Obia tisi mu ekotu bi